What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. In this vlog, there's plenty of food. But before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion, click on the red button now. Subscribe now. Today's food has come from Delish Barbecue. Now we have tasted food from Delish Barbecue earlier. We have tasted the fantastic nihari which they specialize in. If you have not seen that video, I'll give a link up here. Delish Barbecue opened about 6 years back in Noida, Sector 26 Noida. Listen to Nakul Kapoor of Delish Barbecue.
Delish Barbecue was started 5 years back in Sector 26 Jaipuria Plaza. Before that, we have been into catering for quite a long time and serving customers with in their parties, at their house, at their farmhouses. We have been doing catering for like 15 people to 500 people. We have been catering for so many because we have our own set of clientele, those who come to Noida for mutton nihari and few other like tandoori momos, for few other dishes that are not available elsewhere in Noida, like with the good taste that we make.
So Delish Barbecue opened their second outlet or second cloud kitchen from Sector 104 in Noida. So today's food we have got from Sector 104 Noida. Also the food is special. This food was introduced a couple of weeks back.
Yeah, we have started with a new menu which has atta chicken, murg musallam, chicken stew, murg mughlai, choose ki biryani. These are few things that we have recently started, and I want people to taste these authentic things because these things are also not available anywhere in Delhi NCR. If I talk about this murg musallam, that is a whole chicken which is marinated for around 12 hours and cooked inside the clay oven with whole eggs inside it, which are put into the cavity of the chicken, and those this chicken is that juicy that you can pull it with 2 fingers and the bone will come out.
So we are going to try 2 new dishes which they have introduced recently. One is the beautiful looking chicken stew. You can see this thick creamy gravy of chicken stew. There are some chilies floating around, but it smells really amazing. We'll come to that later. We also have murg musallam sukka, which is the whole chicken which is marinated, stuffed and then baked in a tandoor. We also have a couple of dishes like the biryani and breads. So we have this nice lacha paratha and couple of types of naan. The naan which is right in front of me is the chili garlic naan and it smells really good. So let's get into tasting. So this chicken stew takes a long time to cook and is cooked without water. It is cooked in curd and onions, and the moisture from these two gives rise to this thick gravy. You can see how beautiful the gravy looks like. It's quite thick and it smells really divine. So let's taste the chicken stew with some lacha paratha. Little more of that creamy gravy. I really like the texture of this chicken stew. Mind it, I mean this chicken stew is different than the chicken stew we tried from Adipadi. That was the Kerala stew which was made in coconut milk. But here the color, the texture, everything is different, including the smell. It is cooked in lot of onion, mild spices and then curd. There is absolutely no water and it takes long time to cook. So I couldn't actually shoot the making of this because It's cooked over a long period of time. So let's taste this chicken stew with lachha paratha. Boy, this is really good. I like the creamy texture of this gravy. I've been repeating this, but you have to eat it to experience this. And very mildly spiced. There are some green chilies and there are some red chilies which I can see, but it's not spicy at all. One more bite. Because of the texture and the taste of the dish, it tastes like a royal dish. Probably it's a royal dish. Why not? Enjoy the chicken stew. Now a piece of chicken. Let's take a bite of this chicken and see. The slow simmering has made this chicken so soft and tender, but it's intact in the moisture, so it's very juicy, very succulent, and with the gravy, the chicken tastes really good. Chicken stew, 10 out of 10. One more bite and we'll taste the next dish. Since this restaurant is named Delish Barbecue, there are a lot of items from tandoor. So this dish we are going to try is a new dish which they have introduced called the Murg Musallam Sukka. But before that, it's just not these gravy and tandoor dishes which they may also make excellent momos. I had made an episode called Momo Mia, 5 different momos from this particular restaurant. If you have not seen that episode, I'll give a link right up here. Those momos were super fresh and probably the freshest I've tasted in Delhi NCR, and tasty too. Now this particular dish, this is Murg Musallam Sukka. Musallam in Persian means whole. So this is a complete chicken which has been put in tandoor. But before that there were several processes. 2 kinds of marination, stuffing with eggs, and then cooking in tandoor. Have a look how this dish was prepared. So let's open the Murg Musallam Sukka. It has been wrapped in foil twice to seal all the juices. I think this is the way to open it. Let's open it from here. Wow. I can really smell the spices. Just have a look at this. So this is a tender chicken which has been marinated. You saw how it was done and cooked in tandoor. This is very different from tandoori chicken because this chicken is supposed to be very juicy and all the moisture is there inside the chicken, so it will be very succulent. But before I take a piece of the chicken, just see there is a boiled egg inside and there is another one inside. This was stuffed before it was put in tandoor. Chicken comes off the bone very easily. So this is Murg Musallam Sukka. The spices are very subtle. It's not very hot. It is red in color, but it is not very hot. The spices are in the right proportion and it only enhances the flavor. This is quite nice. Very juicy too. Now let me take one piece of chicken. You can see the piece of chicken. Let's eat it this way. This is the way to eat tandoori chicken, isn't it? Very juicy, mildly spicy, and it really smells good. Let me also show you the egg. You can also have a bite of the egg if you like egg with chicken. This Murg Musallam Sukka can be shared between 2 or 3 people. It's not a very big bird, it's a young bird which has been cooked to perfection. So try this. My recommendation is to try this chicken Musallam Sukka from Delish Barbecue. Now for Diwali special, Delish Barbecue has designed or they've made couple of platters. One is a non-veg platter and the second one is a veg platter. This platter can be shared between 4 to 6 people and there are plenty of dishes in this, so this becomes actually a complete meal. For the details, check on Delish Barbecue's website or I'll give the number in the description below. Delish Barbecue is constantly innovating and adding dishes to their menu so that we get to taste different dishes and new dishes. The third dish I'm going to try from Delish Barbecue was recommended by a subscriber. When I did the last episode, he wrote in the comments that I got to try the biryani from Delish Barbecue. So I've got a earthen pot, a handi of chicken biryani. So this is for you. I'm trying the biryani of Delish Barbecue. So they had sealed the lid properly. I've opened the foil and then there is a lid, a earthen lid. You can see the beautiful biryani inside. Actually the smell of biryani is quite good. Also combined with this smell of this earthen pot, it really smells good. So let's taste the biryani. You can see the piece of the chicken. I'll take some more rice. You can see the green chili also. Again, this biryani, I think 2 people can share. Let's taste the biryani. The long grain basmati rice of biryani is quite nice, interesting. I also like the green chilies in it. I've got 2 chilies in this spoonful. Let's taste the rice first. It's quite interesting. I can smell that earthen pot. That smell has kind of permeated into the biryani. In spite of the chilies, it is not very spicy. Though there is that hint of chili I'm getting on the back of my tongue. I'll take a little bit of chicken and taste with the rice. You can also see the whole spices in this. This has made my day. The chicken stew was very good with the paratha or roti. And then the musallam sukha, chicken musallam sukha, that was a highlight. Really succulent, juicy chicken which was cooked as a whole with the eggs inside. I think that was the best dish I tasted today. Not to forget the biryani. The quality of the biryani is very good. I have not tasted a biryani like this in Noida. So my strong recommendation is for this biryani also. So this Diwali, if you're throwing a party or if you're entertaining friends and family, a strong recommendation is to try the platters from Delish Barbecue. These dishes which we tried today, the gravy dish, the chicken stew, the item from Tandoor which is the Musallam Sukha and the biryani, they were all great. Go to their website, check the dishes and try their food. You won't be disappointed. This is my guarantee. I'm sure you would have liked this video. Smash the like button. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button there and also the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we upload a new video. Normally that's on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Please check our website www.chompingchampion.com. We are also there on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Just follow us on all the media and give us a lot of love. Till the next episode, bye. Take care.